What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs coming at you today with another Borla Atak video. First off, if you're new here and you like the video today, please go down below and absolutely smash the like and subscribe button for me. That is greatly appreciated. So like I mentioned before, today's video is a short and simple video involving the Borla Atak that I put on my 2019 Camaro RS V6 sitting out in the garage out there. But anyways, so as you can see up there, I did the installation video for the Borla Atak a while back, and that video has done really well. And I constantly get questions about, how do you like your Borla Atak? You know, what does it sound like? You know, sometimes people don't watch the whole video, they just watch the installation process. So this video here is going to have some comparison videos between stock and after the Borla Atak. And, you know, watch till the end, you'll see some bonus Borla Atak videos that haven't made it to the channel yet. And so yeah, I think you'll enjoy the content. It'll give you a better idea of kind of what it sounds like. So I appreciate y'all clicking and watching. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm getting some things straightened out on my end, and hopefully some big things for the channel. So stay tuned. Hopefully it goes through. So yeah, hope you like the video. Please feel free to leave a comment and ask any questions that you may have.